Dalam beberapa tahun terakhir dilaporkan bahwa teknologi pertahanan Israel berkembang pesat.
In recent years, it has been reported that Israel defense technology has developed rapidly.
Selain memperkuat kemampuan militer, perkembangan ini juga mendorong pertumbuhan industri bernilai ekonomi tinggi.
Besides strengthening military capability, this development has also encouraged the growth of a high-value defense industry.
Data startup nasional sentral mencatat, sekitar sepertiga perusahaan rintisan teknologi pertahanan di Israel berdiri setelah pecahnya perang dengan Palestina pada 7 Oktober 2023.
Data from the Startup National Central show that around 1/3 of Israel defense technology startups were established after the outbreak of the war with Palestine on October 7, 2023.
Produk-produk dari startup tersebut dilaporkan diminati oleh sejumlah negara, sehingga memicu masuknya investasi dalam jumlah besar, termasuk dari modal ventura dalam negeri.
Products from the startup are reported to have attracted interest from several countries, which has triggered a large inflow of investment, including domestic venture capital.
Salah satu investor yaitu pendiri Protego Ventures, sekaligus prajurit cadangan Israel.
One of the investors is the founder of Protego Venture, who is also an Israeli reserve soldier.
Ia diketahui telah mengumpulkan dana sekitar 100 juta dolar Amerika Serikat setelah menggaji lebih dari 160 perusahaan teknologi pertahanan.
He is known to have raised around $100 million after reviewing more than 160 defense technology companies.
Salah satu media internasional melaporkan, dana tersebut diperkirakan akan disalurkan ke 4 startup hingga akhir tahun ini.
An international media outlet reported that the funds are expected to be distributed to 4 startups by the end of this year.
Selain investasi domestik, aliran dana juga datang dari Amerika Serikat dan Eropa.
In addition to domestic investment, funding has also come from the United States and Europe.
Kondisi ini dinilai cukup signifikan mengingat industri pertahanan kerap dianggap berisiko dan memiliki regulasi ketat, khususnya di Amerika Serikat.
The situation is considered quite significant as the defense industry is often seen as high risk and subject to strict regulation, especially in the United States.
Meski demikian, pasar Amerika masih dipandang sebagai tujuan utama bisnis teknologi pertahanan Israel, meskipun orientasi tersebut berpotensi mengalami perubahan.
Nevertheless, the US market is still viewed as the main target for Israel defense technology business, although this orientation may change in the future.
Israel juga disebut menaruh harapan besar pada pasar Eropa, seiring meningkatnya dorongan agar negara-negara Eropa memperkuat sistem pertahanan mereka secara mandiri.
Israel is also said to have high expectation for the European market, along with growing pressure on European countries to strengthen their defense system independently.
Namun para pelaku industri mengakui, sektor pertahanan menghadapi tantangan besar, terutama terkait regulasi dan hambatan masuk pasar global.
However, industry players acknowledge that defense sector faces major challenges, particularly related to regulation and barriers to entering the global market.
Kendati demikian, industri ini dinilai tetap memiliki prospek jangka panjang, khususnya pada pengembangan teknologi cyber.
Even so, the industry is still considered to have strong long-term prospects, especially in the development of cyber technology.